so serious. Why so serious? What time is it? It's 1:44. This is. Well, you can't see it, but it's. Food into my mouth. Okay. My yoga boots. Oh, Perry. You can't see anything. Oh, you kind of see it.
Look very closely.
That's Ashley. Oh my gosh, the eyeball! You should listen to us earlier. You wanna go spy?
Goodbye. What are you doing? You guys get out of here.
You were caught red-handed.